found great value in attending ASM Microbe this year because I got to see other students' research and what they're up to in relation to microbiology.
The best thing I find about these meetings is the bringing together of scientists from all over and the potential for collaboration.
There were sessions that I was excited about from all aspects of the microbial sciences. That includes the posters, that includes the exhibits, that includes the plenaries and symposia.
At Microbe, what I've been able to do is go off track. And what I mean by that is I've been exposed to new areas where I was brave enough to walk in and sit down and listen.
I've been coming to the ASM meeting since I was a graduate student, so almost 50 years now. And every year I think it's going to be my last meeting, but I come and I get stimulated, intellectually stimulated, and so I just keep coming back.